What if I told you there are people right now making hundreds, even thousands of dollars every month while they sleep? And no, I'm not talking about some sketchy pyramid scheme or get-rich-quick nonsense. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm about to share 7 legitimate passive income streams that real people are using to build financial freedom. Did you know that authors are currently earning anywhere from a few hundred to 6 figures monthly from digital products alone? That's according to recent industry reports. Today, I'm breaking down everything from digital products that sell themselves to modern trading platforms like Olymptrade that are making passive income more accessible than ever. Some of these might surprise you, especially number 4, which most people completely overlook but has incredible potential right now. Let me be completely transparent with you. 3 years ago, I was working 60-hour weeks, stressed about money, and had 0 passive income streams. Then I started implementing these exact strategies I'm about to share. Not all at once, that would have been overwhelming, but one by one, building each income stream systematically. The game changer wasn't finding some secret method, it was understanding that passive income requires upfront work, but pays dividends for years. These aren't theoretical ideas, they're proven strategies that thousands of people are using right now to create real, measurable income streams. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create digital products that generate income 24/7, even when you're not actively selling, the exact print-on-demand strategy that's growing at 27.8% annually with minimal startup costs, a simple affiliate marketing approach that accounts for 16% of all online sales in North America, how modern trading platforms make passive income accessible to complete beginners. Stick around because strategy number 6 involves something that 81% of consumers actively prefer, and most creators are completely missing this opportunity. Let's start with the gold mine that most people know about but few actually execute properly: digital courses and ebooks. Here's what makes this so powerful. Once you create the content, it can sell indefinitely without additional work. Recent market data shows authors are earning steady passive income ranging from a few $100s monthly to 6 figures for bestsellers. The beauty is scalability. As one industry expert put it, the same ebook can be sold to 10 people or 10,000 without needing to lift a finger. The key is solving real problems. Don't write about what you think people want. Research what they're actually searching for and buying. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and even Amazon KDP make distribution incredibly simple. Pro tip: you don't need a 300-page book. Focused, valuable content that solves specific problems often outperforms lengthy generic guides. Passive income idea 2, print on demand. This one's exploding right now. The print-on-demand market hit $3.94 billion in 2022 and is projected to reach $5.04 billion, growing at an incredible 27.8% annually. What does this mean for you? You design once, whether it's t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, or wall art, and platforms like Printful, Printify, or Merch by Amazon handle everything else. When someone orders your design, they print it, ship it, and handle customer service. You just collect royalties. Here's the kicker: 81% of consumers now prefer personalized products. That means custom designs, niche humor, specific communities, and targeted messages are crushing generic designs. The Asia-Pacific region alone is expected to grow at 28% from 2025 to 2034, so there's massive room for expansion. And yes, don't sleep on affiliate marketing. It's not just for influencers anymore. Here are the numbers that'll blow your mind. 83% of marketers use affiliate marketing, and it's growing at 18.6% annually through 2032. More importantly, affiliate marketing accounts for 16% of all online sales in the US and Canada. That's massive market share, and there's room for everyone. The strategy that works best: become genuinely helpful first, whether it's through YouTube reviews, blog content, or social media. Focus on solving problems and recommending products you actually believe in. Education and e-learning are currently the most profitable niches, but don't ignore what you're already passionate about. Authenticity converts better than following trends. Here's the overlooked opportunity I mentioned: stock photography and videos. With AI tools making content creation easier, you might think this market is saturated. Actually, it's the opposite. Businesses need fresh, authentic, diverse content more than ever. Generic stock photos are out. Real people, real situations, and specific niches are in. Upload once to platforms like Shutterstock, Getty Images, or Adobe Stock and earn royalties every time someone downloads your content. The best part? One great photo can earn for years. Let's say you upload 1,000 quality photos over 6 months. If each photo earns just $0.50 per month on average, that's $500 monthly passive income. Scale that up with videos and the numbers get really interesting. Passive income idea 5, app and software royalties. Now this one requires some upfront investment, but hear me out. You don't need to be a programmer to earn from apps and software. Platforms like Bubble, Adalo, and Glide let you create functional apps without coding. Or you can hire developers on Fiverr or Upwork for specific projects. Think simple: productivity tools, niche calculators, habit trackers, or industry-specific utilities. Once they're in the App Store, they generate revenue through downloads, subscriptions, or in-app purchases. The key is finding underserved niches. Don't compete with Instagram. Build a specific tool that Instagram marketers desperately need but can't find. Another idea is YouTube automation channels. And no, YouTube automation isn't about gaming the system. It's about creating valuable content systematically. Think top 10 lists, educational content, compilation videos, or niche documentaries. You can outsource research, writing, voiceover, and editing while maintaining quality control. Channels in finance, productivity, history, and even oddly satisfying content are generating substantial ad revenue and sponsorship deals. The magic happens when you build a library of evergreen content. Videos you create today can generate ad revenue for years, especially if they target search-friendly topics. Combine this with affiliate marketing and you've got multiple revenue streams from single pieces of content. Finally, let's talk about something that's become incredibly accessible: passive income through trading, specifically with platforms like Olymptrade. Now, I know what you're thinking. Trading isn't passive, but modern platforms have changed the game completely. Olymptrade, for example, has unveiled a simplified platform designed specifically for newcomers with AI-powered guidance and professional tools like RSI, MACD, and Bollinger Bands. What makes this different from traditional day trading? Copy trading and automated systems. You can literally mirror successful traders' strategies automatically. The platform handles trade execution while you focus on learning and strategy selection. Imagine you start with copy trading, following 3 consistently profitable traders with different strategies. You allocate your funds across their approaches, diversifying your risk. With trade durations starting from just 1 minute and profit potential up to 80%, even small consistent gains can compound significantly over time. The key advantage of platforms like Olymptrade is the educational component. They provide demo accounts, training materials, and analytical tools that help you understand markets rather than just gambling on them. Remember, this is about building systems that work while you focus on other income streams. Trading becomes passive when you have proven strategies running automatically, not when you're staring at charts all day. Important note: this example is purely hypothetical for educational purposes. Real trading involves risk, and you should never invest more than you can afford to lose. So there you have it. 7 legitimate ways to build passive income. From digital products and print on demand to modern trading platforms like Olymptrade, the opportunities are incredible right now. If this breakdown helped you see the passive income landscape more clearly, smash that like button and subscribe for more wealth building content. Comment below. Which of these 7 strategies excites you most? Are you more drawn to the creative side with digital products or interested in the systematic approach of automated trading? I read every comment and love connecting with you all. Affiliate disclaimer. Some links in the description may be affiliate links, including links to platforms like Olymptrade. This means I may receive a small commission at no extra cost to you if you choose to make a purchase through them. This helps support the channel and allows me to continue creating free content like this. I only recommend platforms and strategies I genuinely believe can provide value. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video where we'll dive deeper into setting up your first digital product business. Until then, keep building those income streams.